Experiencing a frozen screen or no audio in your Mazda 6's infotainment system? It's a common problem, especially in 2014-2021 models with the Mazda Connect platform. These issues often stem from software bugs or hardware glitches. Start with a soft reset. Hold the power button for 10 seconds. If that doesn't work, try a hard reset by disconnecting the car battery for 30 minutes. Outdated firmware is a frequent culprit, so check for available updates via the vehicle's settings menu. For no audio problems, inspect the audio fuse for corrosion and replace if needed. These steps resolve many common issues, saving you a potentially costly dealership visit. When basic resets and fuse checks fail, advanced troubleshooting is needed. Mazda's app-based diagnostics, introduced in 2024, provide remote assistance. For stable connections, use USB hubs with Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Update firmware and explore community fixes on Mazda forums, especially for older models. Looking ahead, Mazda is adopting cloud-based systems and Android Automotive OS to minimize bugs. Regular software updates are essential to address cybersecurity risks in connected systems. If problems persist, seek professional help from a certified technician.